Hey everyone, welcome to the workshop. I'm the Artisan Pirate and welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is going to feature a lot of amazing content and I encourage you to click the subscribe button and join me on the journey. I'm always learning out here in the workshop. I primarily focus in scroll saw woodworking, tips and tricks type videos, unboxing reviews, stuff like that. Main woodworking and scroll saw videos will always be uploaded on Monday. Secondary videos, I have other interests such as doing time-lapse stuff, driving around, doing cosplaying, doing reviews of places I like to go. Those videos will always be uploaded on Wednesday. And if I have a seasonal or holiday themed video, those might be released on a different day as well. But as always, I encourage you to click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join me along on my journey, and remember guys, if I can make it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate, and I hope to see you around.